Alright everybody, I'm up here on the edge of the road. I'm going to show you this yard. We've been working on this. I just want to show you a little bit of a checkered pattern that we got going on here. Really proud of this one stuff, and I want to show y'all really what these bad boys can do. Y'all check this out. I'm gonna do a little walk right here. Y'all check out this lawn. Good old revolt right there, 48 inch. See that? That's what the bad boys will do for you right there, folks. Straight up perfection right there. It's all about the tuning, keeping the blade sharp, deck clean, all that good stuff. As you can see, we're on a busy highway out here. Very few cars right now, but in the afternoon it's pretty busy. So get back to mowing so I can get off the side of the street and get this one taken care of and move on to the next one, guys. So we'll see you there. Y'all comment below, like, share, subscribe. Let us know what you think. Let us know what you think this quality should cost. What you think that you would charge. Let us know that, you know, do you even strike, bro? You know, like, come on, get on the same page. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one.